Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing. I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. Tomorrow is Christmas. We got 24 hours to go for Christmas. Guys, I'm going to show you how to marinate your curry goat for Christmas. And remember, this is the way. This is the Jamaican way. This is your way. And this is how you're going to do it at home. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. The best of the best. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year one more time again. 2016, better recipe. We love you guys. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. So right here, this is the goat right here. I have 2 kilos of goat, guys, as you can see, looking so lovely and nice. And this is the leg part of the goat. Kind of a little bit busy in the kitchen at the moment because there's a lot of stuff is going on. You know, I mean, tomorrow is Christmas. And you know, on Christmas Day, people always prepare their meat ready for Christmas. So basically, first of all, we're going to put on some lovely Jamaican fresh thyme on it, just like that. And we're going to simply take off that lovely flavor and that nice, lovely fresh thyme to give it the flavor. And lovely. You don't want to put too much thyme because the thyme going to kill it. You know what I mean? You just want to get on a few nice, lovely thyme on it, just to bring in the lovely flavor and the lovely taste in this lovely curry goat. So right here, I'll put on a few more pieces. Really nice. So next thing, what we're going to do, we're going to put on some white onion right here. That's the white onion. And this is the spring onion. Basically, I have some garlic right here. And I'm going to put on a few of the older garlic. Because what happened, I crushed the garlic. As you can see, I just crushed them. So roughly 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces of a garlic. Especially a little chopped one. Very finely. Basically, I'm not gonna use the I want to simply say to you guys, I'm not gonna use the hot curry powder. I'm using the mild curry powder, and I'm gonna put on, that's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. This is just 3 tablespoons of the mild curry powder right here, and I'm using the spoon. So that's beautiful and nice. Basically, I got some meat season, and I'm gonna put on 1 teaspoon of meat season. Basically, I want to simply say to you, you don't need to add any salt because these already have salt. And 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season right here, and 1 teaspoon of everyday season. Everyday season is in the supermarket. You can get it. Or if you're in your area and you don't know what is everyday season, you can check it at the local supermarket. And see, a pinch of grounded pimento right here. That's a little pinch, not too much. I got some mutton season. This is the mutton season. I'm gonna put on 1 tablespoon. But this is the way how you marinate your curry goat at home. Alright? So that's all the season which I'm gonna use at the moment. Second thing, I got some olive oil which I'm gonna put on it just like this. That's the olive oil. So we're gonna get this goat marinated right and proper way, guys. So roughly 2 large tablespoons of olive oil. So what we're gonna do now is to use our hand and simply marinate it. But I want to simply say to you, please guys, don't just dip your hand down inside of it. Please use gloves for health and safety. Basically, I want to say when I wash my meat, I did use some vinegar and I wash it very carefully. So right here, as you can see, this is how you're gonna just get it marinated right and proper way. So remember, it's just 24 hours to go for Christmas, and you want to get your meat, you know what I mean? This is a meat season.com at the moment, the last minute.com marinated season. So as you can see, looking lovely and nice. Really nice. And I'm using the mild curry. I'm not using the strong curry. I'm just using the mild one at the moment. So you can use your flavor curry where you like to use at home. But the beauty behind the scene is just the way how you're gonna marinate it and get it ready for tomorrow. So as you can see, cut up your meat a little bit smaller, if you can get it very small. And this is the leg part of the goat. Some people call it mutton, some people call it all different kind of name. But in Jamaica we call this curry goat, or some people call it curry mutton. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you for your Christmas idea, tips for tonight, or whatever you want to do. Some people might just wake up, getting ready for making their Christmas dinner. So what we're gonna do now, simple basically, is just gonna pop it straight inside of one of these bag right here. So what you're gonna do, put it in one of these bags, and you can simply put it in your fridge and make it get soaked and ready for tomorrow, guys. As you can see right here, there's a lot of garlic. When you're doing curry goat, the most important thing is garlic. So please use a lot of garlic, guys, because the garlic do help it to cook very softly and quickly. And you know you have to cook this for roughly about 2 to 3 hours. So the garlic will cut down the time and give it probably 2 hours. Alright? And all you need to do is simple, tie it and put it into your fridge for tomorrow. And that's a curry goat ready, seasoned, done and dusted. So all you need to do is just cook it tomorrow, and it's soak really good, nice and full of flavor and taste. So enjoy the recipe, and thank you so much for watching my cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye.